Good morning, folks. This is Marc with Marc's Mobility. We're doing a review this morning on a Jazzy Elite 14 power chair. Good morning, folks. We're doing a video this morning on a practically brand new, I think this chair was used for maybe a week. It's literally brand new. It's a Jazzy Elite 14. It has a 300-pound weight capability. It has a 21 wide seat by 18 deep. So remember that this chair, the seat is 21 wide, 18 deep. It does have a safety belt. Remember, from outside to outside, it's about 26 inches. From outside of arm to outside of arm, the arms are past the wheel, so it's about 26 inches. This chair, folks, has a 300-pound weight capability. It's a front wheel drive, so there's nothing here in the front. So this is also very good for outside in the yard. So these are 14-inch solid tires. They're not going to mark your floor. You have caster wheels in the back, okay? There's a motor for each wheel. Each wheel has its own motor. This motor is connected directly to the wheel. There's no chain, no belt. It's no maintenance. It's directly connected to the wheel, okay? So there's your reset button right here. So if you had to reset the chair, if the chair stopped on you for some reason, there's your reset button right there. Now, as I said, the motors are connected directly to the wheel because there's a motor on this side, there's a motor on this side. If I wanted to push this chair, you can see it's in gear. I'm not going to be able to push it. But if I turn the power off, because these are electric motors, you don't want the power on, turn the power off. You see the yellow lever right here? It's still wrapped in plastic. Pull it forward, pull this one forward, and look at that, folks. Look how easy that is. That's how easy it is to put this chair in neutral. When you're done, put the levers back in on both sides. Make sure they're in gear. Turn your power back on, and you're ready to go again. Extra large foot plate that flips up when you exit, so there's nothing in your way when you exit. Very nice, okay? You have tip wheels in front in case you do something you're not supposed to be doing. The back of the chair, you have a pouch. You have your charger here. You have an adjustable headrest that can be adjusted up or down. And back here is your batteries. So if you need to take the batteries out of this chair in 3-4 years from now, unscrew these two yellow levers and this cover comes out and the batteries come out from the back, and there's two 55 amp batteries in here, and they'll give you about up to 15 miles on a battery charge. Up to 15 miles, okay? The seat on this chair is a captain seat. So what's nice about this seat is that you can also recline it back as far as here. This would be driving position, and this would be the fold down position. And the top of your joystick is about 31 inches, folks. 31 inches is the top of your joystick. Now, we'd have to lower the arms here, they're very high. But it's about 31 inches. If you want to transport this chair in a van, the number you need to know, the height with the seat down, is 31 inches, okay? You have a safety belt, and as I said, the seat on this chair is 21 wide by 18 deep. And you can see how well this chair turns. So it's very maneuverable in the house. And when you charge this chair, we'll just use its own charger for an example here. We'll take the charger from the chair. And what you do is you plug it right here. And as soon as the light goes to green, your batteries are full. The charger will start charging. This chair also has a really good horn. Most power chair, when you hit the horn, you can't hear it. This one, so if you're in Walmart or you're in Costco, whatever, and someone's in your way, they'll hear you. So the joystick's on the right, but it can also go on the left. And as I said earlier, we do have a safety belt on here. So if you're looking for a nice chair that was used maybe a week, this has a 300-pound capability. The seat is 21 by 18, captain seat. This will be a really nice one. This is the Jazzy Elite 14 power chair. This is the one that was used maybe one time, literally brand new. This is the one I was telling you about. The horn is good. I don't know if you can hear it. Very smooth power chair. Top speed is about 5 miles an hour. And when you stop like this, it stops. Well, you can see it stops automatically. So if you don't want it to stop that fast, just when you slow down, just let it go slowly, and it'll stop slowly. It has built-in brakes in the motors. Just a nice power chair. Very smooth. It turns really nice too. It's got a good speed for turns. Some of them really slow down a lot when you go to turn. Should have no problem in the grass. Yep, no problem at all. As long as your yard has a good bottom, you know. Chairs don't do well in sand, in mushy, wet grass. It's deep, okay? But if you have a hard bottom, you'll be able to go through your yard. So remember, this one here, the seat is only 21 wide by 18 deep. So it's not as deep. It is 21 wide by 18 deep. The arms flip up, solid tires, large footplate, ready to go. Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marc's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.